Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, okay. So let me first discuss what all doubts you have.
Sir, I have doubt in 1E 8th question.
The 1G 8th question.
No, sir, E, section E.
1E. One E. Okay. 8th question. Okay. You take it up.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have doubt in 7th one and 8th one, exercise 1E.
So is the board visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first ask me if you have anything from 1G. 1G.
1G, I have, one second, sir.
1G. G for goat. 1G exercise.
Sir, 16th question in that.
16th question. Okay. And you all have done 16 questions. Can you please raise your hand? Sixteenth question. Let me see who all have done.
Sorry,
I
sir,
can
not
see
16th,
17th.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 17th. Those who have done, please raise your hand.
Sir, but can you solve 16th one also?
16th. Yes. 16 Kunal and Mohit. Two of you have done. Okay, Mohit. Can you please do it? I'll write the question. 16th question. X to the power b by x to the power c to the whole power b plus c minus a into x to the power c by x to the power a c plus a minus b into x to the power a by x to the power b to the power a plus b minus a plus b minus c. Yes, Mohit, go ahead.
Sir, for the first term, we'll. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
For the first term, xb by xc.
X
b
xb
by xc.
by
x
xc. Okay.
the whole power b plus c minus a is equal to.
B plus c minus a.
Yes, sir. Is
Okay.
equal to xb
Is
square.
equals to x
b square.
b square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are multiplying this with this.
Yes, sir.
X b square. Then
Plus bc
plus bc
minus yes, sir. Minus ba
minus ba. Okay.
by
By
xcb
xcb
plus c square
plus c square
minus ca.
minus ca. Okay.
So, sir, we can mind like if we take xcb minus c square minus ca up.
Okay. So see the power, the base is same. So you want to subtract it. Correct. Correct. Mohit.
Yes, sir.
So b
Yes, sir.
square
Yes,
plus
sir.
bc minus ba. This is minus. Minus ba. Then minus of cb
cb minus
plus
c
ca minus ca. So we can write this as x to the power b square plus bc minus b cb c square plus ca. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So this and this gets cancelled. So what is left out? Final thing left out is x
X
b square minus c square minus ba plus ca.
yes. Yes.
Okay. Then
So for next expression, x
next is x c
to the power
by x a to the power c plus a minus b. Can we do like this? First, only we will do c minus a, and then this to the power c plus a minus b. Same thing what you have
Yes.
done.
Yes.
So c minus a multiplied by c plus a minus b equals to, so c square plus ca minus cb minus ac minus a square
plus
plus ab, which is equals to ac and ac gone. So is equal to x c square minus a square minus cb plus ab. So this was one and this is second. Now third term. We will do third term. Third term is x a by x b to the power a plus b minus c is equals to x a minus b into a plus b minus c equals to x a square plus ab minus ac minus ba minus ba minus b square and plus bc. Correct.
yes.
This and this gone. So left out is x a square minus b square minus ac plus bc. Okay. So this is this is the third one. Now what will be the next step, Mohit?
Sir, then we take x as common, so the power. So the
Power
power
will
get
get
added.
added. So in all these, this is in multiplication sign, so all the powers will get added. So x to the power, what first one is b square minus c square minus ba plus ca. This
C square
plus c square minus a square minus cb plus ab plus a square minus b square minus ac plus bc. Correct.
Yes.
Now next step will be,
So we can cut all of them.
so we will make it, now we'll open the bracket b square minus c square minus ba plus ca plus c square minus a square minus cb plus ab plus a square minus b square minus ac plus bc. So b square and b square down, c square plus c square down minus ba plus
Yes,
ba plus ca minus ca minus a square plus a square minus cb plus cb. So it is what This is equals to x to the power 0, which is equals to
1.
Did you get it, everyone? Did you understand? There is
Yes, sir.
nothing new, there is no trick. It was only that you have to use the law and you have to be very patiently do the operation, algebraic operation. There is nothing trick or anything. It was a very simple question, but little lengthy question. Okay, very good, Mohit. Okay, this 16th one, now 17th. So please write it. 16th one, please write it. What you couldn't do, please write it. Let me know if you are done. Then I will move to next question. Okay, now the 17th question. Please raise your hand those who have done. Question 17. It is 9 to the power m multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 3 to the power minus m by 2 minus 2 minus 27 to the power n by 3 3m into 2 to the power 3 equals to 1 by 27. So 9 to the power n into 3 square into 3 minus 2 to the power minus 27n by 3n into 3. So you have to prove that m minus n equals to 1. Yes. How many of you have done? Kunal, Mohit, both of you have done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about others? It's only these two will do.
Sir, I had doubt in this one.
No, I'm asking who all have done. So these two have done. Okay, Kunal, go ahead. Yes, Kunal.
So first we simplify everything.
Okay, tell me how to simplify.
Sir, first 9n will be equal to 3 square n.
3 square, so 3 to the 2n.
Yes, sir. Into 3 square.
Okay.
Into when we simplify that, we get 3 raised to n.
3 is to n, so minus n by 2 into minus 2. And this one, how can we write? 27n to the power n. 3 is to
3
3n.
raised to 3n. Yes, sir.
Okay, by 3 to the power 3n into 2 to the power 3. Correct?
Yes,
Is
sir.
equals to 1 by 27. Next is 3 to the power 2n.
Sir,
3 to the power 2. Yes, tell me.
sir, we multiply 3 raised to 2n into 3 raised to n
We will multiply 3 raised to 2n
into 3 raised to n, and then keep 3 square.
Okay, understood. So let me first write so that everyone understand. After multiplying this two gone, so 3 to power n minus 3 to power 3n by 3 to power 3m into 2 to power 3 equals to 1 by We will write it 3 to the power 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now all these are in multiplication. All these are in multiplication. So what we will do, we'll add the powers, correct? So 3 to the power 2n plus 2 plus n minus 3 power 3n, correct, Kunal?
Sir, I have multiplied only 3 raised to 2n into 3 raised to n. So we get 3 raised to 3 common.
Okay, so you are telling that we'll multiply this one, wait.
So the core.
3 raised to 3n into 3 to the power 2
Yes, sir.
minus this one by 3 to the power 3m into 2 to the power 3, correct?
Yes, sir. So now we have 3 raised to 3n common. So
3 raised to 3n common, so
it will be brackets 3 square minus 1 by
yes,
3 raised to 3m into 2 cube.
2 cube, which is 8, is equals to 1 by 3 to the power 3. So this is 3 to the power 3n. 3 square is 9 minus 1 is 8, and 3 to the power 3m into 8 is equals to 1 by 3 to the power 3. So
8 gone.
this gone. So we can write it as 3 to the power 3n minus 3m equals to 3 to the power minus 3. We can write it like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So then we have base common. So
So
3 common, and we'll write n minus m.
yes, 3 to the power 3 n minus m equals to 3 to the power minus 3. Correct?
Yes,
So base is same. So power and both are equal. So power will be equal. So we can write 3 n minus m equals to minus 3. Correct?
yes.
So n minus m
Is equal to minus 1.
minus 1. Therefore n minus n is equals to 1. Proved. Very good. Now, others, did you get it? This one?
Sir,
As
Sir, I didn't understand from that
Okay,
3
okay.
into 3 and 2 in that one.
Okay, I will do it. Wait. So 9q, you can 9q, sorry. Here it is 9 to the power n into 3 to the power 2. So 9 you can write 3 square. It will be 3 to the power 2n. Correct?
Sir.
And this is 3 square into this into this is multiplied. So minus into minus plus, and this 2 to 1, so 3 to the power n. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus 3 to the power 3n.
3n.
Okay? By same thing we have written it. Okay? Now this and this base is same, so power will get added. So it will become 3 to the power 3n.
Sir.
Okay. So this becomes 3 to the power 3n into 3 square minus 3 to the power 3n. And denominator again remains same. Till this point, is it clear?
Sir.
Now in this two term, this term, one term and two term, what is common? 3 to the power 3n is common. If we take 3 to the power 3n common, what is left out? 3 square, and here minus 1. And again in the denominator, we have just 2 to the power 3, we have written as 8. Correct? Is this step clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in numerator 3 to the power 3n, this 3 square is what? 9 minus 1, which is
9.
8. Denominator में 3 to the power 3n minus into 8, whatever is given denominator. This and this get cancelled. What is left out? 3 to the power 3n by 3 to the power 3m. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this you can write 3n minus 3n. Can you write it like this? Because this is what is left out.
Yes,
So you
sir.
write like this. Okay, which
Yes,
is
sir.
equals to 3 to the power minus 3. 3 to the power
Yes, sir.
minus 3. Did you get it? Now the base is same, so the power will be equal.
Yes,
So
sir.
power is 3, this one 3n minus 3n is equals to minus 3. So taking common 3 out, n minus n is left out, which is equals to minus 3. N minus n is equals to minus 1. So m minus n is equals to 1.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay. With this exercise is over. We'll go with the 1E exercise. 1E exercise.
So in that I had 8 questions out.
8th question. Okay.
7, sir.
What is problem 7th? I mean, you asked me 7, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Where is the problem and where you got stuck? Can you please give me an idea about it?
I didn't get to prove it.
So how do
I had doubt in proving, doing that, substituting the values.
which value you have to? So how you did 10.5? Can you tell me how you did 10.5?
I got the answer to prove it, but in this I'm not getting the answer. I didn't know. I didn't get it.
I didn't
So,
understand what you said. I'm asking the question is represent this in geometrical value on the number line. What is the difference between 6th question and 7th question? I want that thing. Can you please help me? What is the difference between 6th question and 7th question?
I didn't know. Like I did everything how we did under root 4.3. So I just did it like that, but I didn't get that answer of under root 7.28.
And root 7.28, you didn't get the answer. And what is the answer?
So I didn't get to prove it.
You didn't get to prove it.
Yes, sir.
Prove what? Prove what?
We have to prove it like 7.28.
7.28. So you know how yesterday we did this question?
Yes,
And we
I
proved it?
got this. I
Huh.
got,
So x is here in this question, x is equals to 7.28. That's it. In this question, yesterday we proved for x, correct? You have written that or not, that proving?
I have written that.
Okay. So only thing in that question you have to replace with 7.28. That x. Can you just prove it now for me? Can you prove it?
Can I do it in my book and I'll say, sir?
I didn't get. Can you?
I'll do it in my book and I'll then say.
No, you do it now. You know now how to prove it.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how to do this. Tell me. Let's suppose in place of x it is 7.28. So tell me how to do it.
So we will get x plus 1 by 2.
No, x plus 1 by 2. What is x plus 1 by 2?
That's
You have to start with beginning. This proving you have to start from the beginning. Tell me. Tell me, Ananya.
Sir, I wrote it like BC square is equals to AC square minus
What is BC? What is AC? You have to tell me. You cannot say BC square. What is BC? My question is, what is BC?
So we have to find BC. So, like it's Pythagorean term is like, I'm not getting to say it, sir.
No, you tell me how I have to do. I have to draw anything, and you tell me. I'll do one by one. Whatever you say, I'll write it here.
So it's a right angle triangle.
First, you have to draw a line.
Number line.
Okay. Now, what is the next step?
We have to take point A.
Okay.
So we have to draw a line AB measuring
AB
7.28 centimeters.
7.28. Okay. This is 7.28. Very good. Now, AB is 7.28. Next.
Now we have to take 1 centimeter from B to C. We have to draw.
Very good. Very good. So 1 centimeter or 1 unit, whatever you are taking, 1 unit. So BC is equals to 1. Now next.
Now we have to draw the bisector from A to C, like mid, we have to find the midpoint.
Midpoint of A to C. So you can draw a perpendicular bisector, and that will, let's suppose it intersects at which point? O?
O.
O. Okay. O is the center of AC. Okay. Now O is center of AC. Okay. Now
So now from O to A, from O, with radius OA, we'll draw a semicircle.
very good. So we'll draw a semicircle which will definitely touch at C. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. ठीक है. Now
So now we'll draw perpendicular at point B.
Perpendicular at point B. So we have drawn a perpendicular. You know how to do it, like this, cut. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Which will touch point at, let's suppose N. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
So now that is the length of the root under root 7.28.
which one? Which one is under root
The
7?
point M. So
Point
now
M.
with still there I got it. After that I'm a little confused, sir.
So under root 7.28 will be which length? Which length will be under root 7.28?
From O to M,
O to M.
I think, sir.
Okay, Kavya, go ahead from here. Kavya? Kavya, can you respond me back? Okay, Haripriya, can you please let me know from here? Kavya, if you will not respond me back, I will also not respond you back then. Okay, Kavya. Yes, Haripriya, tell me.
So from B to M is 7.
No, I can't hear you. Haripriya, I cannot hear you. Your voice is not at all audible. Your voice is not at all audible, Haripriya.
Can you hear me now?
Hi, now tell me. Yeah, tell me.
B
No, sorry, Haripriya, I can't hear you. Can't hear you, Haripriya. Okay, Abhay, go ahead from here.
Can you hear me now, sir?
Yes, Kavya, I can hear you.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead from here.
Sir, B to C.
B to C will be under root 7.28, correct? Kavya, respond me back.
Sir, there's some network issue. Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you.
Yes, sir. So B to C is 7.
Wrong. Please check your notebook and show me where it is B to C is. Yes, Abhay. Abhay?
So from
Yeah.
M, from O to M, you have to take the measurement, and from M you have to cut an arc. So
From O to M, I have to join, you are saying, correct?
Yes.
Okay, I join. Then what is this under root 7.28? Which length is under root 7.28?
No, so you have to take the length of O to M, and then
O to-
from point M cut an arc, and then the connecting that M to that point will be. So then from O to that point would be.
Just hold on a second. Hold on a second. Okay, so you are telling that OM is under root 7.28. This is what you are telling. Abhay?
Yes, sir.
OM is under root 7.28. Okay, okay. 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 And Sanjit? which length is under root 7.28?
Sir, no, sir.
The chance is gone away. Yes. Sanjay, are you there? Okay, those who will not respond me back, I will also not respond you back. You will keep asking me questions. Okay, then next. Devratna, can you tell me?
Sir, I was not present last class and I didn't check the YouTube video, so I have no clue at this point.
You should have done it no, before
Yes, sir.
attending today's class.
I had some other work to do, so I couldn't.
Arun, you were also absent. Have you attended YouTube video? Have you watched YouTube video?
Not still, sir.
So when you will watch, you guys will watch.
So today I'll go.
Okay. Darshan? Darshan? Okay. Yes, Mohit, tell me.
So, yes, sir, BM is equal to.
Very good. BM is equals to under root 7.28. Can you prove this for other students? I know you can prove it. Let's prove for other students. At least they will.
Yes, sir. So,
Yes, tell me.
first, we are gonna have to like. Okay.
So,
O is equal to.
OA is equal, so OA is equals to half of AC, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And AC is equal to.
And AC is equals to
AB plus BC, which is equal to X plus 1.
AB plus BC, which is equals to 7.28 plus 1 is equals to 8.28. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So after that, so yeah, like OP square.
OP, there's
Yes,
no
sir.
OP.
The midline, sir.
So OM.
Yes, sir.
So okay, I will write. Means in triangle ODM. Since it's a right angle triangle, we can write OM square is equals to OB square plus BM square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
yes. So OM square is equal to
OM square is equals to
X plus 1.
no, we are doing with 7.28.
Yes, sir. 7.28.
7.28
by 2, the whole square, plus 1 by 2.
plus
So
1 by 2. Correct? That is 8.28 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, you are telling that OM is equals to OA, which is OM. I'll write it here. Basically, this OM is equals to OA because it is a radius of this circle, correct? Semicircle.
Yes, sir.
And AOA is equals to half of AC because AC is the diameter. So
Yes,
OM is actually OM. I'll write it here. OM is equals to OA is equals to 8.28 divided by 2. Correct? So
yes, sir.
OM we got 8.28 divided by 2. Okay. Now what
Yes,
is
sir. So now we get. Yes.
what
So
will be
OB square.
OB? OB.
Yes, sir.
What is OB? What will
So,
be OB?
so OB square will be
First we'll write OB. OB squared later on we'll find out. We'll do OB. First we'll find OB.
yes, OB is equal to BP minus OP square.
B, where is P?
So
OB,
BM.
B, OB is equals to BM.
Yes, sir. BM.
Why OB is equals to BM?
So no, BM minus BM, sir.
No.
So
OB, this OB is equals to what? We're telling BM, but no, it's not BM.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Because I have changed it to from X to this number and the thing is different, you are getting confused. I'll tell you, see, OB is equals to OC minus BC, correct? OB is equals to
Yes,
OC, this OC, this full OC, OC minus BC, correct?
yes,
So
sir.
OC, what is OC? Is again the radius 8.28.
Yeah,
Again 8.28.
yes, sir.
8.28. And what is BC? 1. So minus 1, which is
Yes.
what? Minus 1, which is equals to 7.28.
Yes, sir.
Minus, I mean, what is happening? Why it is? I'll write it
Sir,
here. Yes.
Sir, if it's OC minus BC, then it should be 8.2,
8.28 by 2 minus 1. Correct. Correct. Okay, what is wrong? 8.28. Why it is going on? Wait. Eight point two eight by 2 minus 1,
Yes.
which is equals to 4.14 minus 1, which is 3.14.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 3.14. Now, BM. What is BM?
Yes, sir. So it's OM square.
M, we have to find it out. BM square, we can write it as ON square minus OB square.
Yes.
So OB is what? OM is what? 8.28, that is 4.14 square minus OB is 3.14 square.
Yes, sir.
Correct? OM we have got, OM is 8 point, this one ठीक है, divided by 2, OM is इतना, and OB is 8.28 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1, so 4 point, ठीक है. Now this is BM. So 16.
So 17 points.
M square is equals to what is the value? Can you do it?
So 17.13
point
1396
96 minus
3. Yes, sir. So 9.85
9.85
96.
96. And what is the subtraction here?
So yes. So, so
Yeah.
1 minute. Sir.
Yeah.
So 7.28.
1396 and then 3.14 into
7.2.
3.14 into 3.14 minus 17.1396 7.28, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 7.28. So BM is what? Under root 7.28. Did you get it? Now again I am asking except Mohit and Kunal, others, did you understand?
So while doing this question, we have to prove it like this.
No. It was, if they ask you question, they will ask you in terms of X, which I explained yesterday. And this is an application question based on what I taught. Just wanted to check whether you remember or not, or you just mug up. That's why
So can you scroll down?
I will do it. First, understand. This question is all about this thing. All about this triangle. This triangle. You know everything. This distance is under root whatever, under root x is this distance, and then you will take an arc and drop it wherever they cut. That is the point. It will not come at C, it will come somewhere here. That is the point. And how this is under root 7.28, for that you have to find this. This is a radius, and this radius is equals to this length, which is what? 7.28 plus 1 divided by 2. So you got this. This will be 7.28 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. That is the radius minus 1. This is r minus 1. And if you find this length in terms of this, you will get this answer. Did you understand? I will scroll it down. Please write it down. This is an application question. You did it very well. But yes, for x, you can get a question to prove that why this is under root x, why this distance is under root x. You guys, yesterday we did with x, now today we did with a number. So now you will have a fair understanding with x also and with the number also, how it is working out. Now the eighth question is, you have to plot under root 9.5 and then add 1 into this. Finally, you get that one. Understood? Have you written? Everyone has written this one, proving? Today also you are not responding. Yesterday also you didn't get, and still you did not ask me. Today also I'm asking again and again. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So can you just explain one more time, sir?
Can you construct this one, this point M? Can you get it?
Yes, sir. That.
Okay. Now the proving part. So join OM. So this will become what? A right angle triangle. Correct? You respond me back. Yes, and for every time you respond me back. Okay. So OM. Can you say OM is equals to AO is equals to OC?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why all three are equal? Reason? Tell me why all three are equal.
To 7.28.
My question is why these three are equal? Give me the reason. That means you didn't get it. These all three are radius or not? All three are radius or not?
Yes, you have to find radius to prove.
Kavya, I'm asking AO, OM and OC, all three are radius or not? Is it a radius?
Yes, sir.
So when these are radius, so can we write OM? So what is radius? Radius what is the value of radius? Tell me here, Kavya. What is the value of radius? Come again?
I understand the question, sir. D by 2.
D by 2.
D by 2, D, diameter.
D by, what is diameter then? D by 2, very good. What is diameter in this question?
Over here, we can take 7.28 plus 1.
Yes, 7.28 plus 1 is the diameter divided by 2. So it is 8.28 divided by 2, which is equals to 4.14. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this radius is equals to 4.14. Okay? So OM, we got OM as 4.14. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Till now it's clear.
Okay. What is OB? OB. What is OB value? This is. Is it a radius minus BC? Is it radius minus BC? OB.
So R minus 1.
So R minus 1. So and R we have got 4.14 minus 1, which is equals to 3.14. Correct? So OB you got as 3.14. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Till now.
So this is a Pythagoras theorem for that triangle.
Yes, sir. For finding BM.
So BM is equals to, we got it, 4.14 square minus 3.14 square.
Yes, sir.
Is equals
We
to.
got the values. Okay, sir.
And for the 8th question, you just have to add 1. After finding under root 9.5, you have to, let's suppose in this question only, if they have asked you, in this question, you have plotted this one, you have plotted here, under root sample, from here, 1 unit more, and that will be the point where which is equals to under root 7.28 plus 1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now only the magnification is there in this chapter, which I will teach you now. Till everything is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So magnification is very easy. Just it will take a minute time. So basically, visualize the presentation of the question is given as 2.32 bar. What is this? 3 point. How can we write like this number?
Sir, 2.322, go on like that.
32222 like this. Okay. Now they have asked to plot it on a number line. Okay. And the question is given up to 4 decimal place. Up to 4 decimal place.
So we can write it as 2.322.
Yes, that so the number will be 2.3222. Okay. This we have to plot it on a number line. Okay, okay. So we'll make a number line. So this number will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4. Right, correct. This number lie between which two numbers?
So 2 and 3.
Very good, 2 and 3. So we will do like this. We'll draw our next number line. Okay. This number line will start from 2. So we can write it as 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 3. Correct? And we'll draw like this. You have to draw like this. That is, you have magnified it. Okay. Now this number will lie with between which
2.3 and 2.4.
2.3 and 2.4. Okay. So this number will lie with 2.3 and 2.4. Means here. Correct? 2.3 and 2.4. So we'll make another number line. This number line will start point 2.3, 2.3 and 2.4. So it will be next one will be 2.3. What? Tell me.
1.
3, 1,
2.1,
2.32, 2.33, 2.34, 2.35, 2.36, 2.37, 2.38, 2.39 and 2.4, and we'll draw. So we have magnified it. So we have got till 2 decimal place, but they have asked 4. So this number will lie in which between which 2 points?
2.33.
2.32 and 2.33. Again, this number we are plotting 2.2333. Correct. So this number will lie between 22 point. Hold on. Actually, sorry, I written wrong number. 2.322. 2.322.
0.322.
0.3222. We are plotting this one. So 2.3. Now between these two numbers it will come. So
yes, sir.
So it will start 2.32. What will be the next number?
2.322.
2.321. Start with 2.322. 2.323. Just hold on a second. It will 2.32. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. This number 2.32, 2.321, 2, 3, like that will do. 2.324, 2.325, 2.326, 2.327, 2.328, 2.329, and 2.329, and it will be 2.33. Next number will be what?
322.
322 correct. 21, 29,
2.3.
2.33. 330, 2.333. 2.3. Okay. 2.29. 2.3, correct. So now 3 decimal place we have got. Now this number will lie between which two number? 2.322 and 2.3. Between these two numbers? So this will be 2.322, 2.322, 221, 222, 2.3223, 2.3224, 2.3225, 2.3226, 2.3227, 2.3228, 1.3229, and what will be the last number? 2.32, 2.323, 2.3233, correct, no? 2.323.
Yes, sir.
It should be the fourth digit, no? Correct. Okay. Right. So you got this one. So where is this number? 2.322.
The second one out there.
Second one.
The last.
You got
2.3.
it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is magnification. Just you have to magnify.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Last two questions is based on this only. Did you get it or not? Everyone, did you get this? Any doubt in this?
So 9 and 10 is homework.
And that too, I mean, now this one, okay, number system is over with this. Actually, one more thing, important thing. See here. Okay. This will be, here it will be 2.321. We start with this number.
Yes, sir. I wrote like
3.2321 and 3.2. In this one, we start with this number. The number is 2.3221. 221 is here. And then you start and end with this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this was magnification. Any doubt in this? If no doubt, then this chapter is over. Then I'll start with polynomials. I think only who were not present in polynomial.
So me.
One is Haripriya. Anybody else?
So me.
And two. That's it. Anyway, if you guys you want to attend, you can attend. It will be a quick thing, just introduction and what is polynomial. After that, you were there. No? From third exercise, you guys were there. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So number system. Anyone has any doubt anywhere? Tell me. If you have any concern, any questions which you couldn't follow. Okay, very good. So, polynomials. Take a fresh.
So, when is the test on this chapter?
I will tell you, Kavya. Maybe today is Tuesday, correct? So you can write it on Wednesday, Thursday. Friday will be okay. Friday you guys can write test on polynomial as number system. Right? Friday is okay now?
So yes, sir. So
Okay.
Yes.
sir, like when the question you give marks step by step.
Come again?
So in the questions you give marks step by step, or like whole only answer.
Does it make any difference?
No, sir. I just want to understand.
The answer should be correct. Okay. That should be your objective. If you are depending on step marks, I'm very strict on that. Okay. So when you solve any question, it has to end correctly. That should be your objective. Don't depend on step marking. I'm very clear in this. Okay. Is it
Sir,
okay?
in
Let,
the
let me finish with Kavya. Kavya, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't want this question to be asked ever. Step marking of this one. None of my students should rely or should depend on step marking. If you have started a question, it should be fully, completely, properly ended, correctly ended. Okay? Yes, Kunal, you were telling me something.
Sir, I had a doubt, but it's not from RS Agarwal.
You tell me which question?
Sir, the question is if 2 raised to A is equal to 3 raised to B, which is equal to 6 raised to C, then find the relation between A, B, and C.
2 raised to A is equals to 3 raised to B is equals to 6 raised to C.
Yes, sir.
And find the relation of A, B, C. Okay. Okay, I'll do it. You have to divide and all that I will, because that will take time. So let me first finish this polynomials. I will send it to you on WhatsApp. Okay.
So we can leave the mixer.
Those who don't want to attend polynomial, you can leave. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Sir,
Yes, Adin.
so like I was there for polynomial from first exercise, sir.
So I am going to teach polynomial first to exercise now. Those who want to stay back can stay back. Those who want to leave can leave. Okay. Okay, polynomial. Let's.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, when we say about polynomial, there are few things which you have to keep it in mind. When we write any expression like 2x plus 4 is equals to, let's suppose, this is an expression, a function of x. So first thing in polynomial, you have to remember that it will have variable and constant. So x is variable and 4 is this 2 and 4 constant. Second, what is the coefficient of x here?
2.
Very good. Coefficient should be real number. So, okay, coefficient should be real number, and third thing will be power of variable, the exponent of variable. Exponent of variable should be whole number. Okay, so this expression, let's see this expression. This has either variable or constant or both, correct? So this is satisfied. Coefficient should be a real number. So coefficient 2 is a real number. So this is also satisfied. Exponent should be a whole number. What is whole number? Can you tell me? Can you please tell me, Haripriya? What is whole number? What is whole number?
Sir?
What is whole number?
Sir, the numbers from 1. Sorry, sir. The numbers from 0 to infinity is whole number.
Yes, 0 to infinity is whole number. So the power of variable should be a whole number. So here, what is the power of x?
1.
So it's a whole number. So this condition also satisfies. So we can say this is the polynomial. Okay. Okay. Now I'll give you one more. Haripriya, you'll have to respond me back.
Yes, sir.
If I write like this, so here power of x, this is means what? X plus x to the power minus 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
In this expression, variable and constant, yes, variable is there. So this condition satisfied. Coefficient of is a coefficient of variable is real number. So here coefficient is 1 and here also it is 1. So second second condition is also satisfied. Now exponent of variable should be whole number. What is exponent of variable here? What is exponent here?
So it is 1, sir.
And what is here?
Minus 1, sir.
Minus 1. So this is not a whole number. So this is not satisfying. This condition is not satisfied. That means this is not a polynomial. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now I will take one more example. Fx is equals to, let's suppose, under root x minus 3. So again, it's a made of variable and constant. Yes. Coefficient is what? Real number. Yes, it's a real number. Here it is 1. Now this is under root. That means what? X to the power 1 by 2 minus 3. So variable power is not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Tell me whether this is a polynomial or not.
No, sir, it is not a polynomial.
Why it is not a polynomial?
Sir, when y comes this side, it becomes, when 3 comes, it becomes y power 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 is not a whole number.
So it is not a polynomial. Now I will write one more expression. Gx is equal to, let's suppose, under root 3x cube plus 5x square minus 3 by 4x minus 9. Whether this is a polynomial or not, can you tell me whether this is polynomial or not? Devratna,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me whether this is polynomial or not? Gx?
Gx. No, sir, it's not.
Why it is not a polynomial?
The 3 by 4 is there. No, sir, it is a polynomial. Sorry.
Okay, so can you please tell me all the condition it is satisfying, all the condition?
Yes, sir, satisfying all the conditions.
So it is a polynomial, not telling, correct? Under root 3, 5, so everything is satisfying.
No, sir, no, sir, it's under.
You are giving both the answers. You give me the final answer.
So it's not a polynomial because under root 3 is there.
Under root 3 is there, so it's not a polynomial. Haripriya, can you tell me?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's a polynomial because there is a constant and variable, and even the power is non-negative, and there is a real number.
So what? Under root 3 is a real number.
Sir, no, sir, but 5.
But under root 3, what about under root 3?
Yes, sir.
What yes, sir? Under root 3 is a real number or not?
No, sir, it's not a real number.
What is real number then?
Sir, rational and irrational numbers both.
Rational and irrational number both. So what is under root 3?
Sir?
Then what is under root 3?
Sir,
It's what?
sir, it's irrational number. So
Under root 3 is a irrational number. So
sir, so this is not a polynomial.
what you are telling? First, think that what are the conditions of polynomial? Is it satisfying or not? What is real number? Are these numbers real number or not? First thing, I'm giving you a minute time. Everyone, Kunal, I know you know this one. Let others know. Haripriya, Devratna, both of you. Tell me. Think. Yes, Devratna, tell me. Any new answer for you or the same? It's not a polynomial.
It's not a polynomial, sir.
It's not a polynomial. Okay. Now, Haripriya, can you tell me? Is it or it is not?
Sir, it's
Don't do
not.
guesswork. Don't do guesswork. I will start. Asking multiple questions. You be very confident. Is it or is it not?
Sir, it's not, sir.
Tell me why it is not.
Sir, root 3 is a irrational number.
So, what is what should be the coefficient?
Sir, 1. 1 is a coefficient.
1 is the coefficient.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
What do you mean by coefficient?
Sir, the number, like if it's 5x, the 5 is a coefficient.
Okay. So in the definition of polynomial, what are the conditions? Condition 1, tell me. What is the first condition?
The condition is there should be a constant and a variable.
Constant and a variable. So, or either one of it. Okay.
Yes.
Either constant or variable or constant and variable. So is it satisfying the first condition or not?
Yes, sir, it's satisfying.
What is the second condition?
Sir, coefficient must be a real number.
What is real number?
Sir, real number consists of both rational and irrational numbers, sir.
So here, what is coefficient?
So for 5x square, it is 5.
Okay, then?
For 3 by 4x, it is 3 by 4.
Hmm.
And for under root 3x cube, it is under root 3.
Okay. So these under root 3, 5 and 3 by 4 are real numbers or not?
Yes, sir, they are.
So is it satisfying the condition or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
What is the third condition?
Sir, the power of a variable should be a non-negative number.
Is it satisfying the condition or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
So why it is not a polynomial then?
Sir, it is a polynomial.
Devratna?
Understood, sir.
So real number is actually rational number and irrational number. Rational number, it is P by Q form. So 5, 3 by 4 and 9 are rational numbers. This is under root 3 is an irrational number. So real number is to think rational number and irrational number, and their coefficient are rational number or irrational number. So it is a polynomial. Correct? Got it?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. So when you have started identifying which is a polynomial, the next thing is degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. What is the degree of polynomial? Degree of polynomial is the highest power of that polynomial. So here the degree is 3. Okay? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next question I am giving you, hx is equals to, let's suppose, z9 minus 1. Is it a polynomial?
Yes, sir. It is a polynomial.
Okay. And what is the degree?
9.
Okay. I am giving you next question. What Devratna, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. It's clear. It's clear, sir.
Okay. Next question I am giving you. Tell me whether this is a polynomial or not.
So not a polynomial.
Why it is not a polynomial?
Sir,
Yeah. Actually, I will be available for 15 minutes.
Why it is not a polynomial?
x is present in a fraction that should not be a polynomial.
It's not a fraction. You can write it like this. Now you can tell x is the power is minus 1, so
Yes, sir.
it is not a polynomial.
Hmm.
Did you get it, Haripriya?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay. Now tell me next expression I'm giving you. So x is equals to x minus 1, x minus 3 by x. Tell me whether this is a polynomial or not.
Sir, it is a polynomial, sir.
So is it it's a polynomial. Why it is a polynomial?
Sir, but it is in the fraction form, so it is not a polynomial.
Which is in the fraction form. I can write it like this. X minus 1, x minus 3 into x to the power minus 1.
Sir, it is not a polynomial because the power is minus.
So that's what you have to tell. So you have to do this simplify first. X square minus 3x minus x plus 3 to the power x to the minus 1. When you multiply all this, it will become what? X into x minus 1 is x. Here 3. Here x to the power this one minus 1 into this 0, which is equals to, I'll write it 3x to the power minus 1. So you can write it as x minus, okay, x, this one is 1, this one is, so this is 1 actually. So x minus 3 minus 1 plus x to the power. So here the power is negative. That's why it is not a polynomial. Did you get it? You have to simplify. Just by seeing you cannot tell. Just by seeing you cannot tell. You have to multiply and see finally whether the polynomial which you are getting, it has negative power or positive power. Okay?
Sir. Yes,
okay.
sir.
And the degree, understood what is degree of polynomial? The highest power of that polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, polynomial in terms of degree, in terms of degree. In terms of degree are linear polynomial. Example, in terms of degree, whose degree is 1. So, linear polynomial are those polynomials whose degree is 1. So, I will write an equation, example, x plus 2. So, now what is the degree of this polynomial fx? Degree is what? 1. So, it's a linear polynomial. I'll write another equation, 4x plus 2. So, here degree is what? 1. So, it is linear polynomial. Correct? You can easily identify. Let's suppose under root 2x is equals to this. What is the degree of this? Degree is 1. Correct? Now, in terms of, if the degree is 2, then that polynomial is known as quadratic polynomial. If the degree is 2, then that polynomial is quadratic polynomial. Example, x square plus 2x plus 1. Here the degree is what? 2. Or 3 by 4 x square plus 1. What is the degree? Is 2. So these are known as quadratic polynomial. Okay. Now third one, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Example, x cube plus 2x square plus x. What is the degree in this? Degree is 3. So cubic polynomial with degree 3. So here you can write it as 3 by 4 x cube plus 4. Here what is, again degree is 3. So these are known as cubic polynomial. Okay. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The fourth one is known as biquadratic, or you can write it as, it's known as quadratic, Quadratic polynomial of degree 4. We can write it as x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus 2x plus 4. Is a degree is what? 4. So it is known as biquadratic or quadratic, quadratic polynomial, or x to the power 2, x to the power 4. What is this polynomial? This polynomial is again degree 4. So it is known as quadratic polynomial or biquadratic polynomial. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My question to you is 4. Is it a polynomial? Four or any number, under root 2, under root 3, under root 5, or 3 by 4, are these polynomial or not?
Sir, yes, sir, it is a polynomial.
Why it is a polynomial?
Sir, the three conditions satisfy. The first constant is there, and the second real number, and the third it's non-negative power.
And what is the power here?
The 1.
Whose power is 1? 4 power is 1.
4 power 1.
But in the equation, in the condition, it is given the variable power should be whole number.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So?
Yes, sir. It's not a polynomial. A variable power should be like non-negative.
So you're telling 4 is not a polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there, Ratna, do you have any other answer?
I know, sir, it's not a polynomial.
All the constant number 4, 2, 1, or any irrational number, okay, or any like rational number 3 by 4, 4 by 6, all these numbers are polynomial of degree
0.
0. 4 can be also means what? Can be say as 4 into x to the power 0 into 1 is equals to 4. So all these are polynomial of degree 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I hope you guys are writing all the examples, because this will come as an objective question.
Yes, sir.
So all the constant numbers, all the rational and irrational numbers are polynomial, satisfying all the condition, and the variable power is 0. So the degree of this polynomial is 0. Okay. Okay. So we differentiated polynomial in terms of degree. Okay. We differentiated polynomials in terms of degree. Now we will classify the polynomials classify in terms of number of terms. What is term I have written? so many times. So if I write 4x plus 3, how many terms it has?
2.
2. 4x and 3, correct? So terms here is 2. If I write, let's suppose 6y, how many terms are here?
One term, sir.
Very good. Terms is 1, so one term 6y. If I will write 4x multiplied by 3y, how many terms are here?
Two terms.
2 terms. Haripriya, 2 terms, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is only one term. Now I will tell you why. Terms in the polynomial, terms can be differentiated either by plus or by minus. If any digit or any term, any value is with multiplication or division, that is called as one term. If you are telling this as 2 term, why can't you tell this is also then 2 terms? 4x is equals to 4 into x. So always remember, term can be differentiated either by plus or minus only. So if I write 4x into 3y, which is 4 3 is 12xy, which is one term. If I would have written 4x minus 3y, then it is 2 terms. If I would have written 5x into 4, this is 20x, which is one term. A term can be either differentiated by plus or minus, not with multiply and divide. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in terms of classification of polynomial, with term number of terms, there are monomial. One is monomial with one term. Monomial is with one term. So we can say 6x or 4x into 5y or 6y or 2z into 3y. These all are monomial because it has one term. This can be written as 20xy. This can be written as 6zy. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second is binomial. Binomial can be written as with 6x minus 2y or 6x plus 2y. These are 2 terms because either minus or plus is differentiating these 2 terms. So they are 2 terms, so it is binomial. Similarly, binomial with 2 terms. And the third one is trinomial with 3 terms. So 6x minus 2y plus z, this is trinomial. Or 4z plus 2y plus 4, these all are trinomial. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will give you an example now. I'll ask you a question. 6x plus 2y minus y. Tell me how many terms are here?
Sir, 2 terms.
Very good. So we can write 6x plus y, which is 2 terms. It's a binomial. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we say either monomial, binomial, trinomial in terms of terms, number of terms. All numbers, for a rational or irrational number, all are polynomial, and they are known as constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Okay.
Yes, sir.
0 is also a polynomial which is known as zero polynomial. A polynomial consisting of one term, namely 0, is called a zero polynomial. A polynomial with 0 is a polynomial which is known as zero polynomial. Okay. So basically the first exercise is to understand whether the algebraic expression, the expression which is given, is a polynomial or not. If it is a polynomial, what is the degree of the polynomial? And with respect to degree, classify the polynomials, that is linear equation, quadratic equation, and cubic equation, and biquadratic or quadratic equation. Correct? In terms of terms, you can find it monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay? So this is your first exercise which you have to do. You have to identify. Is it clear till this point? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the second exercise is, the second exercise says, find the value of polynomial. Find the value of, and the polynomial value is, let's suppose, with an example I'll tell you. Let's suppose px is equals to 3x square minus 5x plus 6. Find the value of polynomial when p, so we have to find this. So this means what? This means put the value 2 in terms of x. Means substitute the value of, substitute the value 2 here with x. So we can write 3 into 2 square minus 5 into 2, 6. So this is 3 into 4 minus 10 plus 6. So 4 is a 12 minus 10 plus 6. So 18 minus 10, which is equals to 8. So this is the value of polynomial at 2. Let's suppose they have given us, find the value at 1, p1. So what we'll do, 3 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6. So this is 3 minus 5 plus 6. 6 plus 3, 9 minus 4, 4. This is the value. That's it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, Haripriya, did you get it? Finding the value of the polynomial.
Yes, sir. Yes, got it.
Okay. So I'll give you an expression, px is equals to x cube plus 2x square minus 5x minus 6. Find the value at 2. Okay. So let me do it. I'll do it, no problem. So 2 to the power 3 plus 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 minus 6. So 8 plus 8 minus 10 minus 6, which is what? 16 minus 16 is 0. So P2 is equals to 0. Okay. Now I will ask you to find at P is equals to minus 1. So minus 1 cube plus 2 into minus 1 square minus 5 into minus 1 minus 6. So minus 1 plus 2 plus 5 minus 6. So 7, oh sorry, 7 and 7, 0. So P minus 1 equals to 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now I will ask to find the value at P0. So 0 plus 0 minus 0 minus 6. So P0 is what? Minus 6 value. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, what we were doing, we were finding the value of the polynomial. Correct? Now there is one term known as 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial means what? At what value, at what value of x the value of polynomial becomes 0. Again I am repeating, 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the polynomial. at what value of x, value of polynomial is 0. So in this case, at x is equals to 2, the polynomial value is what? 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
While putting the value of 2 in terms of x, in place of x, or substituting value of x with 2, we get the value of polynomial as 0. In this case, -1. So we say 0 of the polynomial is 2 and -1. At what value of x, when you substitute the value of x, so that the value of the polynomial, this value becomes 0. That is known as 0 of the polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Did you get it?
Yes, sir, I got it. Yes.
Okay. So, let's suppose I'll give you a question a little.
So the activities typically I mentioned.
So, the question is given as, let's suppose px is equals to x minus 3. And they have asked to find the 0 of the polynomial. So what you have to do in this case, you have to equate px equals to 0. That is x minus 3 equals to 0. So x is equals to 3. So at value x is equals to 3, this polynomial will be 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, let's suppose the next question is, at what value of qx polynomial, what is the 0 of the polynomial, this one? Tell me. What you have to do? Qx is equals to 0. So what? 3x plus 2 equals to 0. So x is equals to what?
So, -2/3.
Yes.
2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, sir.
Okay, so at -2/3, you can put and see. Also, qx minus 2/3 is equals to 3 into -2/3 plus 2. This one. This
Minus
and
2,
this
sir.
-2 plus 2, which is equals to 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is what you have to do in the second exercise. Okay? And from third exercise, you will guys were there, na?
Yes, sir.
Remember theorem. Okay, so this is done. You complete this for tonight. Today it's very easy. You can complete it. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, the backlog class is now over. Okay, and from Tuesday onwards, you'll have regular class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So complete this one.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
When is regular classes?
Tuesday. Okay, next week we'll start regular class.
So 24th.
24th is Monday. 25th is Tuesday. 25th. Tuesday, you have no regular class. Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So from 25th, you have regular class. Okay. Okay, you send me that question a to the power. I'll solve it. Right now, I have another class. After that, I'll solve and send it to you. Okay. You send me on WhatsApp, write it on the paper and send it. I'll do and send it back to you.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So Friday is test, no, sir?
Yes, Friday we'll have test.
Sir, like how should we write? Like we have to join a meet?
Yes,
or-
you have to join a Zoom classroom, and on the Google Classroom, I will upload the question paper. You have to write it in your notebook. After ending, you have to scan and upload it in PDF format. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.